Hello, hello! Bonjour les amis, j'espère que vous allez bien. Bienvenue à une nouvelle leçon donc de français. Apprendre le français avec George. Learn French with George. Welcome to a new lesson. Today it is a lesson for beginner, so level A1. And you can check the playlist for all the other lessons for level A1. And today the topic of today is... Oh, la maison. La maison. This is the home. La maison. La maison. What do you need to do at home? You need to aider à la maison. Aider à la maison means help at home. Help at home. So you are at home, you need to help. Maybe you need to help your parents. Maybe you need to help your wife. You need to help with the house chore. So what should you do? What do you have to do? Let's start. First, a very important verb. You remember once we saw je. Je, it means I. Je. Repeat after me. Je. 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 Okay, repeat after me. Repeat after me. Répétez s'il vous plaît. Je. Je. I have to. We say je dois. Repeat after me. Je dois. Je dois. Je dois. So, what do you have to do? I have to. Je dois. Do you know how to say this? I have to clean. I have to clean the house. So clean the house, we say faire le ménage. Faire, repeat after me please. Faire le ménage. Faire le ménage. Faire le ménage. So all together, I have to clean the house. So we say je dois faire le ménage. Je dois faire le ménage. Next one. So what do you need to do inside the house? What do you need to do to help? You say je dois. Oh, I need to wash the dishes. Wash the dishes. Je dois faire. Still the verb faire is the verb to do. It's a very important verb. Don't worry, in one lesson, or maybe other lesson, what I will do with you is I will see the most common words in French language. Because even though French language is a very rich language, in fact, on a daily basis, we always use the same words. It's always the same words. And faire is one of these words that you use every day. Donc, je dois faire la vaisselle. Clean the dishes. Repeat after me, please. Je dois faire la vaisselle. 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 Je dois, it means I have to, faire la vaisselle, clean the dishes. This is a very common structure, as you've seen before. Faire, it means do. Faire le ménage. Faire la vaisselle. And what about this one here? Je dois. I have to cook. Cook, we say faire la cuisine. After me, faire la cuisine. Faire la cuisine. And all together, we say je dois faire la cuisine. Je dois faire la cuisine. Je dois faire la cuisine. Next one. Oh, what is it? You need to clean the clothes, you know, do the washing machine, you know. How do we say this? Je dois faire la lessive. Repeat, please. Je dois faire la lessive. Je dois faire la lessive. Next one. This we've seen, okay? He's in the supermarket and he needs to go shopping to buy. You know, maybe your girlfriend is very angry with you. Your wife is very angry and say, "Ah, you need to go and do the shopping." You know, "Ah, just hurry up." No, you are the man. Okay. Or maybe your parents will say, "Hey, I'm doing everything at home. What are you doing? You're sleeping all day. You are not working. You are not doing your homeworks. You know." So you need to go and buy in the supermarket. Okay. So you say, je dois faire les courses. Je dois faire les courses. Je dois faire les courses. Oui, bravo, bravo. Next one. Ouh là 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 là. What is she doing? She's a vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner. How do we say? We say in French, passer l'aspirateur. Passer l'aspirateur. Okay, let's repeat together. Je dois, I have to, passer l'aspirateur. Je dois passer l'aspirateur. Je dois passer l'aspirateur. Oui, congratulations. And the next one, oh, make the bed. What do we say? Oh, not make the bed, sorry. It's clean my room. Clean my room. Okay. Je dois ranger ma chambre. Ranger, it means clean, tidy up. Je dois, repeat after me, please. Je dois ranger ma chambre. Je dois ranger ma chambre. Je dois ranger ma chambre. The verb passer, it means like in English, to pass. Pass. It means passer. Why you say passer? Because the vacuum cleaner, you come and go, and come and go, and come and go, and come and go. So we say passer l'aspirateur. It's like coming, passer. It's not to pass. In fact, to pass is pass my turn. But passer in French, it means to come, to go. Je passe, bonjour. Bonjour. You know. Okay, next one. Je dois. Ooh la 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 la. She's in the garden. And in the garden, she is working in the garden. You know, working, we say travailler. If you say je dois travailler, I have to work. Je dois travailler. Je dois travailler le français. I have to work the French. Je dois travailler bien. I have to work well. Je dois travailler vite. I have to work fast. Okay? Je dois travailler in the garden. So I have to work in the garden. Let's repeat after me. Je dois travailler dans le jardin. 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 Next one. Ooh, look at the baby. The little brother. The little brother, we say, my little brother. Mon petit frère. Garder, it means to keep. So let's say together after me, please. Je dois garder mon petit frère. Je dois garder mon petit frère. Je dois garder mon petit frère. Ouh là là, someone is honking outside, you probably heard. I will not spend time to do the audio again because it takes a lot of time already to do the videos. I would rather offer you more content and answer your comment in the comment section and spend time for you rather than edit this and edit that, you know. As you know from my other channel, I'm in China, so there is a lot of noise in China. Okay. Woo! What's happening? I didn't work because this one didn't work. So let's just see the one that you can see here. Clean the car. Clean the car. Okay. So I have to clean the car. Clean, we say laver. The car is la voiture. Laver. Laver. La voiture. La voiture is the car. Laver, it means to clean. You can say laver le visage. Clean the face. Laver les dents. Clean the teeth. Laver les cheveux. Clean the hair. Laver la voiture. Clean the car. So let's repeat after me. I have to clean the car. Je dois laver la voiture. Je dois laver la voiture. Je dois laver la voiture. Yes, bravo, bravo. Don't worry, we are getting close to the answer. Oh. Clean the bathroom. So clean the bathroom, we use the verb nettoyer. We could also use the verb laver. We could also use the verb laver. But laver, nettoyer. Nettoyer is more like when you clean a room. But you could say laver. Hein? Don't, if it's too difficult, don't mix up too. Don't try to learn too many words at the same time. Hein? Just try to remember. So here for this lesson, you need to remember je dois, je dois, je dois, je dois. Here, je dois, je, it means I. Dois, it means I have to. Je dois, je dois. And then you can say faire. You remember faire? Faire is very important verb. Faire, it means to do. Je dois faire, je dois faire, je dois faire. I have to do something. I have to do something. So here we can say mon nettoyer. Okay, let's repeat after me. The bathroom, la salle de bain. Je dois nettoyer la salle de bain. Je dois nettoyer la salle de bain. Je dois nettoyer la salle de bain. Okay? Next one, my friends. Oh là 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 là. Étendre le linge, you know, when the clothes are, you clean the clothes, you need to dry them outside or dry them on the balcony, and we'll put them outside like this. I think you do this in most countries. In some countries, they do it outside. In Italy, they do it outside, and you can see the underwears outside from the window. So it's a little bit funny. In south of France, we don't do this. French people, they have a little bit, what to say, pudeur. So they say, oh no, I cannot show my underwear to the whole street. I shouldn't put it just outside of my window, you know. But in Italy, they will show their underwear outside, and in China as well. So let's repeat after me. Je dois étendre le linge. Je dois étendre le linge. Je dois étendre le linge. Oui, bravo. Next one. Oh, in France, before you eat, you need to set the table. So we'll say the table is the same as in English, la table, and put the table, mettre la table. Repeat after me. Je dois mettre la table. Je dois mettre la table. Je dois mettre la table. This is usually the man who has to do this, the husband, the man. You are a man, you need to put the garbage outside. I am the woman, I would rather cook because you don't know how to cook well anyway, you know. And what else? The man maybe needs to take the dog out also. The man needs to take the dog out. In fact, France used to be a little bit, what we say, macho country. It's not really macho, but there is the perception that the woman has and that the man has. Now it's different, but for the time of my parents or the time of my grandparents, the woman will feel, I am the one who cooks because I can cook well. And the man will feel, oh, I don't know how to cook anyway. Just let the woman do this, you know. But that was not macho. That's in fact, even my mother, if my father tried to cook, he said, no, don't do it. You cannot just stay over there, sit over there. Because she was raised this way. So she just feel it's like this. It's normal for her. We can discuss this in another video. So repeat after me. La poubelle is the garbage. La poubelle is the name of the guy who invented the poubelle. You know, there was, I think, the préfet de Paris from Paris City, the head of police for the Paris City, and he decided we need to put all the garbage in the individual garbage can. Otherwise, it would smell so bad in all of Paris. The people in the Middle Age, you know what they did in Paris? They just throw the garbage like this in the middle of the streets. Then there were many diseases. And if you visit in France, you still have many middle-aged cities, and in the middle of the street you will see there is the gutter, and there is the water that goes through like this, and because you had all this waste, and the waste the water will will go down and will clean it. You know, you have always the people who try to clean. They throw the waste like this. Even the poo, you know, in the morning, and then they throw it from the window. Okay, so let's repeat after me. Je dois sortir la poubelle. 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 And here we are, we've done with the presentation, okay? Donc, congratulations, bravo les amis, bravo les amis. So let me ask you a few questions to see if you remember already a few words at what we've seen. How do you say in French, I have to? I have to. Je dois, ouais, bravo. And then how to say I have to do? I have to do. Je dois faire. I have to do. Je dois faire. And then maybe you need to cook. How do you say? Je dois faire. La cuisine, you know. Here it is. Je dois faire la cuisine. Okay. What else do you see? I have to clean. Clean the home. Je dois faire le ménage. Here it is, you know. What else did we say? Do you remember how to say put the clothes outside, to dry them outside, you know? Je dois étendre le linge. Oui, bravo. If you want, I show it to you. No, I don't show it to you. If you want to do the shopping, go for shopping. This is very important. C'est je dois faire les courses. Oui, oui. If you say I need to clean the dishes. Je dois nettoyer. Or faire la vaisselle. Faire la vaisselle. Do you remember how to put the vacuum? We say passer l'aspirateur. Passer l'aspirateur. Okay. These are a few. So we review a little bit. I leave you for now. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to put a thumbs up. It helps me. It helps my channel to grow. Talk around to your friends if you like it. You can write to me in the comment section. I will answer you. And just before I leave you, I need to tell you one last thing. Okay? Vive le français! Vive le français! Bye bye everyone! Au revoir les amis!